Welcome to PFTV and Petu Scooter. Scooter, beautiful performance by the boys. Game here today, we kanjani?
Yo bafo igame ya today it was perfect bafo 100% bafo. If ungabheka first half usimiste amagoli abo more than 3. Uthi Pezeze usikhoste kakhulu bafo. Yo. Nale eshaye ipost. Yo. That was the first goal of the season.
Yeah.
So but I'm happy ngale performances dala ngayo bafo. Into engayisho sibafuna one by one. Saturday sibhekane neSundowns. Saturday sibhekane neSundowns. Sicala ngayo siyayikhipha. Angisho bathi yiyo i-team e-perfect la kulo league. Sicala ngayo siyayikhipha bafo. Then inhliziyo yami ibhlungu bafo. Inhliziyo yami ibhlungu bengifuna ukuthi sidile ngeChiefs manje.
Asibona next year.
Bengifuna ukuthi sidile ngeChiefs manje. So but hayi akuna stress soyibona next year bafo. So dila ngayo next year.
Yeah.
So next year sidila ngeChiefs siyaqeda.
Yeah.
But Saturday Sundowns siyaqeda bafo. Sifila apha iLoftus Saturday siyaqeda ngeSundowns.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your man of the match?
Yo. According to me, hayi bafo mina ngihamba noMaswanganye bafo. Maswanganye bafo.